an area of high pressure. But for the next few days, low pressure moving in from the Atlantic is going to steam towards Scotland and bring some very wet and windy weather here over the next couple of days. And then our high pressure moves in from the west, some much needed dry weather for England and Wales over the week ahead, though we could well have some problems with mist and fog by the end of the week. Now today the mist and fog has been clearing away, the cloud has been rolling into Scotland, some rain too, and we still have some cloud across southern parts of England. Still the odd patch into the afternoon, but most of us should be brightening up. However, it will turn wetter and windier for northern parts of Scotland. But in the fine autumn sunshine elsewhere, temperatures of 14, 15 or even 16 degrees. And then tonight, slipping away to around 5 or 6. But for northern areas, particularly in Scotland, it will be turning wet and it will be turning windy as well. And that marks the start really of a spell of wet and windy weather for Scotland during Monday and Tuesday. Gale force winds, heavy rain in particular for western Scotland, and that may well lead to some localised flooding. Here's the picture then for Monday. Wet across northern areas, particularly western Scotland. Windy too. Further south, much quieter, dry, bright. Some early mist and fog, but it should be fine. Stays very wet, in particular for western Scotland during Tuesday, becoming a bit showery in the north. And then that rain pushing in towards Northern Ireland and in towards northwestern parts of England. But further south, in the sunshine, temperatures of 19 or 20 degrees. Very warm air just to the south of our weather front. It's that weather front, though, that's bringing the cloud and rain in the north. That is going to push its way southwards over the next few days, introducing a change. The wind direction changing. Eventually the wind's becoming lighter as high pressure moves in, so that by Wednesday night we could well have a widespread ground frost, local air frost, across inland parts. Wednesday night, the coldest night of the week. Wednesday itself looks like this. A chilly old start then, but any rain soon clearing the southeast. It's going to be a bright day, some sunshine, a few showers in the north and windy in the northeast in particular. And then as we move in towards the end of the week, well, we're back to square one really. Those winds pretty strong in the north, blowing in some cloud and rain in towards northwestern parts of Britain. Further south it'll be dry and bright. Watch out though for some mist and some fog.